Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh, which will come out something like this. I'm still working on this one, but yeah. So what you're going to need is flour. Sorry, I'm trying to get it off my hand. So you're going to need flour and water, and that's it. And if you want to add color, which I am going to do it, but I'm not going to do it on the camera. You can add color if you want to. So first off, add your flour. Add it like a spoonful, which I'll get to that in a minute. Because I also have to knead my other Play-Doh with more flour. Sorry, I'm just trying to concentrate one at a time. Anybody turns around of them, don't look at me because they don't want to be on YouTube. But this is the kitchen, so I'm technically cooking in the kitchen. Right, so then first now we're gonna go to the flour step. So with the flour, add water in. I added water in. YouTube. Alrighty. So then it should be sort of doughy if you added in the right amount of water. And if you added in too little water, you can always add more. And then if you added in too much water, you can always add flour as well. And I'm adding this to my other flour because, yeah. And it's sort of gonna look like a fake slime. Make sure it's not like a lot sticky if you take it out. Now we're adding more flour. Well, you guys can't see because we added it over here on the table. And it should look a little something like this. Don't mind my messy hands. Just don't mind them. Just don't. This is probably how you're going to hand you're going to look if you're making Play-Doh. Because it's with dough. And yeah, so yeah. This is how I make my Play-Doh. And to make it like a better consistency of sort of like Play-Doh, it's pretty good. But if you want to make it better, you can go ahead, pop it in the fridge. Which is what I did with my first Play-Doh that I didn't do on YouTube because I just learning how to make the Play-Doh. And yeah. So I'm still trying to, and once the Play-Doh is good, you can try to take all this dough and stuff off your hands as much as you can because short. Do it all the way. See that, you guys? How like Play-Doh-ish that is. Like if you want, you can go with your fingers and like that, like you do with the slime, but it's not going to like make a sound. But I will show you guys how to make slime later. And stay tuned for the slime video. Really fun. Instead of making it like doughy, I'm gonna make it more doughy. Well, but for now, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and put on that post notification. And see you all next time. Bye.